Is your Nissan March stuck in 2010? It doesn't have to be. For just $175, you can inject modern intelligence into your ride. This Android car player is custom built for the 2010 through 2015 March models. Forget tangled phone cords, enjoy seamless wireless CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Need directions? GPS navigation is built in. Want faster connectivity? It supports 4G for real-time traffic and streaming. Installation is plug and play, transforming your dull dashboard into a high-tech command center. Stop settling for basic CD players. Upgrade your March today and drive smarter, not older.